This is Malaysian straight from AnnaBelle on AliExpress. I am no stranger to AnnaBelle at all. The first hair I reviewed was their, I think it's their Brazilian kinky curly. The next hair was their Peruvian straight, and now this is their Malaysian straight. You guys know I'm a sucker for some straight hair. I love me some straight hair, and I love the lengths on this bad boy. It is absolutely gorgeous. I am in love. You guys saw how I made this wig. If you did not see it, I'll leave that video in the description bar below for you guys. But you guys saw how I made this wig, and let me just say this technique, this new technique is, I love it. It makes my hair lay so flat, and because of the frontal as well, the frontal gives it a very type of look, you know. Now note it, look, just look, see, I ain't plucked nothing. That's my net, that's my hair. Weaving cap, my stocking cap, I did not cut anything, I did not customize anything, because your girl is new with frontals. And I know this is how I typically wear my hair. I don't wear my hair up and want to like cane roast. That's not how I wear my wigs. I'm not knocking anybody who does, but that's just not how I wear my wigs. If it's a side part, it's a side part. If it's a deep side part, a middle part, whatever, that's how I wear them. I don't wear them any other way. So making it like this works for me. And also the technique, how I made the wig, is also really good for beginners. If you're not good at customizing your frontals, this is a very good alternative. I've been watching so many videos on how to customize a frontal, and I screwed one up, and I did not want to take the chance with this one, because frontals are extremely expensive. They're very expensive. So not just for you, but for the company as well, it's expensive. So yeah, so this hair was sent to me from AnnaBelle on the AliExpress, and I'll have their information in the description bar below for you guys. But I'm completely in love. I cannot stop playing with this hair. I don't know what's going on right now in my life. I love it so much. I love it. Malaysian straight, and this is the kicker, you guys. What shedding? What shedding? Okay, no, I see. Okay, no, I see them. Okay, but it's not a lot. That's why initially I was like, this hair doesn't even shed. But so I've been using my Vanity Planet ceramic straightening brush, and I got some strands. But I'm telling you, I was ready to say this hair does not shed. I was ready to say that, because that's how minimal it is. Because I didn't see any. Whenever I'm finger combing my hair, nothing comes out. It behaves so nicely. It is so light, it is airy, the movement on it, this is some good hair, and I'm completely grateful to AnnaBelle for even sending me even more of this the hair to review. I mean, I don't know what else to say. There is nothing negative I can say about AnnaBelle. And as I've been saying it, they're the very first AliExpress company I've ever reviewed, and yo, mama tell us them thing lit, them thing turn up till it turn over. That is AnnaBelle. Love their hair, and I've tried their different origins. I've tried Brazilian, Peruvian, Malaysian. I'm bringing it to you guys. I'm bringing variety to you guys from AnnaBelle. But I am staying within the same texture though. I haven't tried any body wave or any loose wave or nothing. I've gotten 2 straight hairs because I love straight hair. I'm sorry, I'm not a fan of wavy hair. I love curly. It's either curly or straight. I do not like in between. But you know, I'm gonna make it do what it do. I'll make it do what it don't. But yeah, so that's it for this video. I will not go long at all. The era treat me properly. It treat me goodly. It treat me greatly. And I will keep you guys updated via Snapchat and Instagram. And on my Facebook as well, because you know, if I'm wearing the wig for the day, I'll take a post, let you guys take a picture, let you guys know how it's doing. Look at the luster of this. Yo, thing turn off, eh? Thing late, yeah? Thing late, eh? You can come through. AnnaBelle, please come through. It's okay, you can come through. Come through, AnnaBelle, and have a seat. Thank you. Love this hair. So that's it. I will not go any longer on this video. I'm very repetitive. And as I say, if I get bad hair, when I do get bad hair, y'all don't know about it, because I don't bring crap to my channel. If it's not good for me, ain't no way, boo-boo, I'm gonna bring it to you. I'm just saying. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Oh, and thank you so much to AnnaBelle for sending me this here to review. Mwah. Magnifique. Y'all are doing the darn thing, man. Good job. Bye, guys.